The Cetus Pro FPV kit is heaps of fun. After a week, I've finally gotten the hang of it. We're about to go outside and launch it straight up in the air. In this clip, I'm using a Insta 360 Go 3 with some blue tack to attach it to the drone and get this incredible footage. I got a bit too high, the wind knocked me off balance, and I crash landed in the golf course next door, so gonna have to find a way to retrieve my drone. Bit of a mission. So just chilling and thinking what I should do with this lovely view.